Hello guys, and welcome to Ducks at Langstone. This time we have ducks at Langstone. Langstone haven't, and we have some more hens in with the ducks. This is a take two of this video because the first one slightly messed up because there was a dog in our way. Came around onto our feet. Over here in Langstone, we got a lot of herons. Well, right at the very back there, I'll show you in a bit if I can get a good shot of it. Right at the very back is a load of herons. That tree here in the background is one of the places they're usually at, but there doesn't seem to be that many today. So we're trying to film up here to see if I can get a better shot if there is any of them. There's a few of them, but it's like I said, the tree here, there's usually a load of them on the tree. So thanks for watching ducks and moorhens and other animals, other birds at Langstone. See you in next video, which might be horses at Langstone.